guys, it's me Khesyinii here. Welcome back to my channel. I know it's been quite a long time since I uploaded, but yeah, it's just been a very busy schedule. This time, I'm gonna give you guys something very fun and I'm so excited. I'm gonna give you something that I am more excited of. I bet you guys will be as excited as I am. I'm gonna do the Euphoria look by Maddy. Okay, I'm obsessed with her. I'm just in love with her characteristic and her personality in the movie. I was like, girl, I'ma date you if I can, but okay, it's okay, no problem. I'm gonna do this fox eye look that she did with the cut out black dress. It's a picture. This was my favorite, but I'll try my best to do. I'll do the fox eye look, have an outfit on. I'm not going to show you guys. You guys might have seen a little bit here and there. I'm not going to show you guys that now, but let's see how this thing turned out. Let me get back to you guys after I've done my makeup. Okay, as you guys can see now, my makeup is not done, but I've done my eyeliner, which is not symmetrical at all. I'm gonna set, but I like this side of eye because the wing is just nice. I look like a piece of shit, man. But you know what? I trust the process. Let me get back to you guys after I've done baking and put on my lashes. Okay, I understand that I haven't finished blending my baking or whatever, this loose powder. Can you just give a moment to these lashes? Like, look at that. I'm obsessed. Girl, I didn't know my eyes can do this. And my lipless lip look like a piece of fish. Come back to you guys when I'm doing my lips, because you guys have been asking me how I do my lips. So I'm gonna give you guys a quick tutorial, like a quick one. And then we'll head on to my hair tutorial. Oops, that's the main part of the video. Okay, so my eyes is all done, my makeup is all done. Now next is the lip, and I'm gonna use this eyebrow pencil. Just get any dark brown eyeliner pencil or whatever and outline your lips. This is how it looks after you lip line it. So I'm going to more of a burgundy lip color. As you can see, it's like I just dabbed it because I don't want it to be a very pigmented, because I'm going on with another layer of color lipstick, which is this by EUPHORIA Pillow Lip. I love this shade because it's like in a right shade of maroon. As you can see, it's more red than the color that I want to achieve from Maddy's look. So I'm gonna top it off with a brown color lipstick. So from EUPHORIA. I love Tyra's collection because it's like in a right shade and it's just perfect. So I love two of these, which is the Maddy collection, the code is Shasha, and the Pillow Lip collection, the code is Drama Queen. And we have done the lip. So I added some gemstone because what's more perfect than having gemstone on your face if you're a Maddy? I'm in love with this look, guys. Let's do the hair now. So I'm gonna do her purple color set outfit, but I'm gonna do it in black. So in that outfit, she had this high slicked ponytail. I have a faux hair, a faux ponytail, but I have a brown hair. So let me see how I'm gonna work with it. But before that, let's do the slicked hair look. I hope I can do because I have a lot of baby hair, but let's see where this goes. We gotta add some gel because it's not slicked enough. I have the ponytail right here, but I know Maddy had black, but I only have brown. but it's like very dark brown. You can't even actually see if it's black or brown. But yeah, let's put this on and let's see how it looks. And yep, Maddy had straight hair. I don't have straight ponytail, so this is just wavy and fake as, but it's okay. Let's just work with what we have, because this is budget Maddy. So to complete this makeup look, Maddy had a big and very thick type of hoop earring in silver, but I don't have the thick type, so let's just stick with this. But it's big. It's giving me Maddy's vibe already. We've completed the Maddy look. Okay, so for the outfit, Maddy had this crisscross type of top, which actually matched with her pants. Her pants was so cute, but I don't have that with me. I mean, I definitely don't have confidence wearing that. So hats off to Maddy, because only she can slay that. I mean, you guys can, but I don't think that I can slay that look. I have this top from H&M. Let me see. So this top actually like shouts Maddy. I feel like if Maddy had this top, she would slay. And yeah, so I thought this with my bell-bottom pants. I personally think that I did about 7 out of 10, just because I don't have a set and it's not a matching color, it's not purple. So what you guys think? I loved Maddy's personality in the series, in the Euphoria. I swear to God, if I can date her, as I said, I will. I'll be like, go. Let me act out some of her dialogue.
Bitch, you're my soulmate. Now I'm looking at 1,000 versions of myself, and not only do I look good, I fucking feel good. I didn't mean for real, bitch. If you literally step any closer, I will fight you! Bitch, you better be joking. I don't know if your brain is all scrambled from like all the Molly you take, but I never said that. If you spread a lie like that, I will fucking come for you. First of all, ew. Second of all, ew.
It was fun making this tutorial, and it was fun recreating Maddy's look. If you guys have anyone's look that you guys want me to recreate next, just comment down below in the comment box. If you guys want me to create anyone's look, just mention their name and I'll do my best. But I had fun recreating Maddy's look, and I hope you guys enjoyed my video. Till then, see you guys. Mwah.